The drip, drip, drip of a faucet can be a really annoying problem, not to mention a big waste of water. And it can lead to bigger problems if it isn't caught in time. The typical reasons of faucet drips include corrosion and mineral deposits on the internal parts, and defective gaskets, O-rings, or washers. All of these parts are critical to the proper functioning of the faucet. When one part fails, the faucet leaks. Some repairs take special tools and the experience of a professional plumber. But here's one thing you can try yourself that might fix your leak. This repair is for the most common of faucets, single lever faucets, like this one. Begin by turning off the water to the faucet at the supply valve under the sink. Next, remove the screw cover from the top of the faucet. Remove the screw and lift off the handle. This is the adjusting ring. Tighten the adjusting ring with a pair of needle nose pliers. The tightening will compress the parts inside the faucet and may be enough to stop the leak. Reinstall the handle, being careful to not over-tighten the screw. Turn the water supply back on and watch for a leak. If this doesn't solve your leak, then the problem is probably corrosion or broken parts inside the faucet. You'll need the help of a professional plumber. Give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.